In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install car mods in GTA 5. First, you want to go to Google and type in GTA 5 mods. Over here, you want to go to the first website and go to vehicles, and here you will find all the options of the cars. Now, before I select any option, I want to open some few other websites here that you will need. So you're gonna need this website. You're gonna need to type this script hook v plus native trainer. Hit enter. You're gonna find this first link. Open it, and you also gonna need community script hook v.net. So make sure you open this so it can be ready to download. And you also gonna need a add-on vehicle spawner. Add-on vehicle spawner 1.6.0. And on top of this, the last one, you wanna go and open openiv.com. Go to this website. It's called openiv.com. So let these websites open so you can be prepared to download them. Now you just want to select your car that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this one. Okay, so now you want to start by clicking download, and then it should download. Let me just wait for it. I think I should click okay, there you go. So go to script hook v and download here, and here I'm gonna scroll down and click download. Okay, it's downloading. Let's go to the second one, download community, and under assets you should download this one, and the add-on is vehicle spawner. Download and download, and OpenIV, you just click download now. OpenIV 4.1. So after you do this, you should be able to find your downloads over here, as you can see. Let me just remove these so it doesn't confuse you. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 downloads. So now what you need to do is just put this on the side and go to the GTA 5 directory. So I'm on Epic Games, so my directory is over here. I click on these three dots and go to manage, and if I go to installation, I should find the directory over here. So let me close this and put this directory over here. Let me just make it like this. Okay, now you want to click on script hook v, and here you want to go to bin. You want to select the DLL files. So this is DLL, this is DLL, this is also DLL. So you want to basically copy them and paste inside of the GTA 5 folder. Paste. And now go out of these and go to script hook v.net, and here you want to basically copy everything except the top three files here. So script hook v.net and all the way down, and again copy them and just paste. And so now you want to just go back and go to the spawner one, add-on spawner, and here let's go to okay, so here you want to copy the add-on spawner.asi and the add-on spawner, the folder one, and just copy and paste in the GTA folder like this, then go back. Okay, so now you want to open the installer, the setup, and just install like normally. Let me just go through this quickly. Continue, yes. Okay, it's finished installing. Let's close it, and it should open. It should look like this on your desktop. So open IV, click on it, and you should select your GTA 5 Grand Theft Auto. Okay, this one. Here it's asking for the location of your GTA 5. It should be this one. So if you just copy this one, just paste it here. I don't think I can paste, so I'm gonna have to just browse it. It should be here, GTA 5. So just basically go to this location and then select, then continue, and just wait. Okay, so this screen should show like this once you installed it. So now you want to go to Tools, ASI Manager, and make sure you have the certain things here downloaded. It's asking you to download Open Camera and Open AIV, and just make sure you download these. And then okay, what you need to do now is make sure you have Open IV opened basically. And here, once it loads, you want to just, let me just put this on the side like this. Now you want to open the folder of the car mode that you installed. This is the car mode that I installed, so I'm gonna open it. And you might need to open it with .rar or WinRAR. So once you open it, go to Legacy, and here you should find the mode name. This is the mode that you need, so it's called Coin. And what you're gonna do here is go to Update, this one, and you want to go to, then we go here and go to the x64 and DLC packs, and here you're gonna drag this folder and just place it. Let me try copying it. Okay, I had a little glitch here, so yeah, just make sure you go to Update, x64, and then DLC packs, which should be this one. So if you click Update here, x64 and DLC packs, you should be here. And file mode, it should be Coin. So you want to basically drag it and put it in this folder. Now if you don't know, you might have a different name for your folder, so you can just open this one. Here it will show you like Coin folder goes to GTA mods update x64 DLC packs. So this is the Coin folder that should go here. So your file might be named something else because you might have chosen a different car mode. So yeah, just make sure, if you need help, you might just need to open this and this will show you exactly what to do. So after you do this, okay, so what you need to do now is simply go back to the update folder, this one, go back to it, and you should be able to see update.rpf. Click on this folder, and you want to go to common and then data, and then down here what you need to do here is just find this folder. It's called dlclist.xml, and you want to open this folder. Let's see here. Okay, so my mistake, you're supposed to edit it, so close it and just right click and make sure you click on edit like this. So now you can edit it, not just open it. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is scroll all the way down, and you want to add another line here. So copy the first line, hit enter, and paste this line, and you're gonna change this name with the same name as this folder. So as you can see here, the name of this mod is Coin, so you want to rename this also Coin. So let me just go here and just delete this and name it Coin like this, and you want to save. So after you do this, you're basically done. So let me just close these. I'm gonna close this one, and everything. Now before you open GTA 5, let me open Epic Games here. Before you open GTA 5, make sure you go to the settings here in the manage, and make sure you type in this dash no battle eye. So this basically disables the battle eye. So yeah, make sure you type this, and now you can just open GTA 5. Okay guys, so right here I'm in GTA 5. As you can see, this is single player. So to activate the mod, you press F5 and you go to search vehicles, enter, and here's the car. It's called Coin. I'm gonna press enter to activate it, then backspace. And there you go, this is the mod. So you can basically download any car mod you'd like, and yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.